Hello everyone. Here I will talk about 3 commands. The first 2 are somewhat related. So sometimes we will define an alias or a function that overshadows the system program, and maybe we will get some unexpected behavior. So in those cases, you can use these 2 commands to figure out what's going on. The yes command is a very simple idea. I will show you what it does later. Okay, let's see some examples. So first, let me show you how I define this ll command. It is an alias. You can also check it is an alias this way. So for the ll command, I define it as a verbose display with human readable form of the file size, sort by time and in reverse order. So this just means if I do ll, it will show you the latest file first. You see, this file is the latest one, etc. So this is different from the system behavior. Maybe for some reason you want the system behavior, the default system behavior, which sort everything by the name. And you can do command ls-l. Then you see it sorts by the name. So sometimes it is useful depending on how much you have messed up with the default names. For example, my ls is also a different thing from the default ls. So you can also use the command -v to figure out what it is. It's essentially the same as type. Okay, so type has another nice option called -a. So you can see it will tell you what are the matched items. There's one alias and there's one default behavior, and then you can decide which one to use. Okay, so type also have a -p option. This only works if the name is a file. So here ls is not a file. My default ls is not a file. It's an alias, so it doesn't do anything. But for example, if we look at my ff command, I have a custom ff command. So you can see it is a file. Then if you do -p, it will tell you the file location. I mean, it's kind of not really useful because typically I just use type and it will tell you everything. Maybe in shell programming, this might be useful. Okay, next is the yes command. It's a very simple idea. So if you just type yes, it will keep giving you y's. It will keep printing the y's. So why do you want this? This is useful if you do some installation. And the installation code might ask you, do you want to install something or do you want to do something? And if your answer is always yes, then you can just do this pipeline. You can also use it to type something else. So depending on your application, this might also be useful. Okay, that's what I want to talk about today. Thanks for watching.